Hey there and welcome to the Master Blender 3D with Wild West Environments course. If you've ever wanted to create a full 3D environment from scratch, one with personality, story, and a classic Western charm, this is the course for you. Over the next several hours, we're going to go step by step through building this entire scene. That includes everything you see here. Even the terrain itself, we're going to go through the setup. And the best part? You don't even need to be an expert to follow along. We start at the beginning. I'll show you how to gather and organize your references using PureRef, something that's often overlooked, but it is incredibly important for creating a believable environment. From there, we'll dive into the greyboxing process, laying out the scene with basic shapes to nail the scale and composition early on. This is how professional environment artists work, and it sets the foundation for everything else we'll be doing. Then we start modeling, and we keep things modular. You learn how to create reusable props like crates, planks, and barrels, all with clean topology and designed to work well together. These assets will form the building blocks of the scene. One of the key props we create is the water tower. It's got stylized charm, simple geometry, and it gives us a great opportunity to talk about things like scale, material definition, and silhouette. We'll also model more complex structures, like saloon front and back, including the classic swinging doors and even a bar setup with bottles and stools. Throughout the course, I'll show you the techniques that are both fast and clean, making it easy to tweak, reuse, and build variation into your work. We also cover UV mapping and texturing in detail. You'll learn how to mark seams, unwrap models, and apply stylized textures that bring out the wood grain and dusty charm of the Western world. We explore shader creation too, especially how to use edgeware and procedural detail to add realism. On top of that, we sculpt organic props like the cactus you see and a cow skull for the sign. These small details help elevate the scene and give it character. And we keep the sculpting workflow lightweight and optimized, perfect for stylized game assets or render-ready artwork. If you've never used geometry nodes before, don't worry, we introduce them in an approachable way. You'll use them to generate wooden planks procedurally, build stylized terrain, and scatter props such as rocks and plants. It's powerful, and once you learn the basics, it'll massively speed up your workflow. As we near the end of the course, we'll cover lighting and rendering. You'll set up the full render scene, complete with camera angles, color correction, using Blender Compositor and a turntable animation. By the time you finish, you'll not only have created a beautifully Wild West scene, you'll have learned a complete workflow that you can apply to other projects. So, if you're ready to sharpen your Blender skills, build your portfolio, and have fun creating something truly unique, join now and let's dive onto the 3D world together.